Whether you're brand new to keto or you've been at it for years, there's one secret ingredient that separates those who see incredible, lasting results from those who struggle, and it has nothing to do with macros or recipes. That secret, you ask? Well, it's continuous learning. Today, I'm going to share 3 powerful ways to keep educating yourself about nutrition, keto, and mental well-being so you can make smarter choices, avoid frustration, and get the results you're after. Point number 1, deepen your nutrition knowledge. Most people start keto by learning the basics. Low carb, high fat, moderate protein. But real success comes when you go deeper. For example, learn about micronutrients like electrolytes, magnesium, and potassium that prevent fatigue and muscle cramps. Pay attention to food quality. Grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, and organic produce can upgrade your results. Become a label reading pro to avoid sneaky sugars and harmful additives. Think of it like this. Macros are the map, but micronutrients and food quality are the fuel that get you to your destination. Point number 2, stay current with keto science. Keto isn't a fad, it's a field that's growing every day. New research is uncovering benefits for fat loss, brain health, blood sugar control, and even longevity. Following reputable nutrition experts and peer-reviewed studies helps you separate fact from hype. You'll discover how to tweak your keto plan for different goals: fat loss, muscle building, or maintaining energy as you age. Staying informed prevents you from falling for trends that waste time or harm your progress. When you stay up to date, you adapt and fine-tune instead of guessing your way forward. Point number 3, focus on mental well-being. Keto success isn't just about food, it's about mindset. Your mental state impacts your ability to stay consistent. For example, learn how stable blood sugar supports mood and reduces cravings. Begin to understand the role of brain-boosting nutrients like omega-3s and magnesium. Be sure to explore habit building and mindset strategies to stay motivated even when life gets busy. If you master the mental game, sticking to keto becomes less about willpower and more about lifestyle. The ketogenic lifestyle is a journey, not a finish line. When you commit to deepening your nutritional knowledge, staying current with science, and prioritizing mental well-being, you set yourself up for a long-term success. So, stop guessing, start winning, and keep learning. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more keto tips, and drop a comment below telling me the last new thing you learned about keto. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.